Hello everyone, this is the part 2 of Azure Managed Disk Azure Interview Series videos, and in today's video I am going to discuss some of the real-time questions on Azure Disk. Please note that you should be having at least 1 or 2 years of experience, hands-on experience to answer these questions. So let's start. So interviewer can ask you that, have you attached a managed disk to Windows VM in Azure? So answer will be yes, I have attached a managed disk to Windows VM. So immediately the interviewer can ask you the counter question is, how did you attach? Through PowerShell or from portal? Can you tell me what is the process? So here interviewer wants to know that you have really having the hands-on knowledge or not. So you have to answer in this way that from both PowerShell and from portal I have done the attachment of disk in Windows VM. The process is, first we will attach the new data disk or existing disk, and then we will log into the Windows VM, and then we will open disk management console, and from there we will initialize the disk and then create a new volume and format the disk. Now one more counter question can be asked is, can you change the drive letter of the data disk? Then what is the process? So in this case you have to answer in this way that first we will attach the disk and then we will move the page file .sys to C drive. Normally it will be in the D drive normally. Otherwise whatever the drive is, you have to move the page file to the C drive. Then we have to reboot the VM. Then we will change the drive letter. If it is D, then we can change it to E or F or whatever the drive. After that we will move back the page file to D or E or whatever the drive letter that you have changed. So this is how we have to move. We can change the drive letter of the data disk. Then the next question can be asked is, suppose we have some legacy application which uses C drive. How can we expand the C drive? So in this case you have to answer in this way. Firstly, we need the downtime for the expand. Currently without downtime it's in preview stage and it's available only in few regions. First we need to resize from portal or from PowerShell and then reboot the VM and then expand the volume from OS using disk management console or disk manager. The next question is, have you created snapshot of a VHD? This is very important question that can be asked in the interview, because this job will be your day-to-day job. So you have to answer in this way that yes, I have created a snapshot of a VHD. First we have to create a snapshot, then create a managed disk from the snapshot, and then attach the managed disk as OS disk into the VM. The next question is, a Windows VM is broken after application patch installed. How do you troubleshoot? Now VM is not booting at all. So how do you troubleshoot? So you have to answer in this way that first we have to create a snapshot of the OS disk which is broken, where the machine is not at all booting. Second is, we have to create a disk from the snapshot. Then we have to create a new VM with the new disk and attach as a data disk. Then we have to repair the OS disk. We have many Azure commands to repair the disk. Then we have to detach the disk. Then we have to click on the swap OS disk after the repair on the failed VM. So this is how we have to do the troubleshooting. This is the end of part 2 of Azure Disk. I hope this video will be useful for your interview preparation. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.